In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. When you're cleaning up your books in QuickBooks Online, you might find accounts you no longer use or that were created by mistake. Instead of permanently deleting them, QuickBooks uses something called making an account inactive. This keeps your records accurate without losing any historical data, which is important for reports, taxes, and audits. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu. From this menu, click on Accounting. This is where QuickBooks organizes everything related to your books, including your chart of accounts. Once you're in the Accounting section, select Chart of Accounts. This will open a table that lists every account your company is using, such as income accounts, expense accounts, assets, liabilities, and equity. Next, you'll need to find the specific account you want to remove from the active list. You can scroll through the list manually or use the search bar at the top of the Chart of Accounts page to type in the account name or part of it. Taking a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct account is important because changing its status will affect what you see in drop-downs and future transactions. Once you've located the correct account, look over to the right-hand side of that row in the Action column. There, you'll see a small drop-down arrow beside options like View Register or Run Report. Click that drop-down arrow to reveal more actions available for that account. From the drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Make Inactive. In QuickBooks Online, this is essentially how you delete an account from your active list. When you select Make Inactive, QuickBooks will prompt you with a confirmation message. This extra step is there to prevent accidental changes. Go ahead and click Yes to confirm. After you confirm, the account will disappear from your active chart of accounts list. However, its history is not erased. Any previous transactions using that account will still appear in your reports and past records. This means you can safely clean up your list without worrying about breaking old reports or losing important financial information. If you ever need that account again in the future, you can go back to your chart of accounts, filter to show inactive accounts, and reactivate it instead of creating a new one from scratch.